Now the House has elected a new speaker. I can call and congratulate him. I'm ready to work with him. Or any Republican Congress to make progress for the American people. For the American people. Starting last week, if Big Pharma raises prices faster than inflation, they're going to face big penalties. Starting last week, Americans can get tax credits. Americans can get tax credits. And the lawyers arranged for the Department of Justice to take possession of the document. So we're going to see all this unfold. I'm confident. Thank you very much.
What the hell was that?